Hello YouTube, today I have another unboxing from Silver Gold Bull. It's packaged really well. Knife down before I hurt myself. There's the chocolate. And here it is. I got a tube of 1 ounce 2017 Silver Gold Bull Panda exclusive Panda coins. It's the first roll of coins I bought. I thought the first coins I ever got would be a roll of maples. And I've got 2 extra of the coins just because they were on sale for a great price, so I picked up 2 more as well. And show you the coin here. So I picked up 22 ounces. Got a great price. I looked at these before, but never thought I'd pick up a roll of them. I got them for close to a price of a generic silver round. Cracking open my first tube ever. Ounces. No, that was a nice little pickup. Anyways, thank you guys for watching and have a good day.